If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! You know how much I love doing lip swatches. So today we're going to be doing a lip swatch of all the lip products that launched to One Size Beauty. We have the matte and the gloss duo. This is so cute. And we have a few lip liners. I'm gonna tag everything right here in this video, so click that viewed products tag, or you can check down below for links to all these products if that tag doesn't work for you. Okay, so if you want to see what they look like on, if you want to know which duos and which liners you should pick up, then keep on watching. So the lip liners are called Lip Snatcher Precision Lip Filler Pencil. The lip liner says waterproof, ultra pigmented, creamy texture, precisely lines, sculpts, and fills lips. Use a freshly sharpened pencil to create desired shape. You don't have to search for your old sharpener. One Size actually also launched a lip sharpener. This is called the On Point Pencil Sharpener, and it comes with obviously one pencil in here. One sharpener in here. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. From the top for the liners, we have Code Word, One Size Red, Rent Due, Pink Remix, Coin Collector, and Prime Fish. Okay, so these are the shades once again, and Coin Collector is definitely the shade that I didn't know that I was looking for. They have it. I'm excited to try it. Like, it's gonna look so gorgeous in a lip combo. I'm very excited for it. The next thing that we're also gonna be taking a look at is called the Lip Snatcher Velvet Flex Cream and Cushion Gloss Lip Duo. Yes, I'm talking about these guys. They're like 2-in-1 type of a lip product. You get one matte and one gloss. Of course, you can open the side like this. Top part is the wand. You apply it, you put it back, and you're like, maybe I need a little bit of gloss to go with this. You turn around, you open the other side, and then you apply. I really like this two-ended gloss and matte combo because you just need one product to leave the house. It says luxurious and weightless. Both formulas work to enhance the look and feel of lips, addressing texture to help smooth, soften, and hydrate lips. Okay, I am here for this. Let's go ahead and jump into the swatches. I feel like I'm gonna swatch the glosses first. This is the shade Mother Star. Wow, Mother Star on half of my lips looks really nice. Mother Star gloss. The gloss is very nice. Let's swatch the cream Mother Star on the other side of the lip. This is intense pigment. This is the cream and this is the gloss. I feel like together they will complement each other beautifully. I'm gonna keep the cream on for a little bit and see if it turns matte. It would make sense to have a matte and a gloss on one stick. It just wouldn't make sense to have a cream and a gloss on the same stick. Like, I wouldn't get that. Hopefully this is matte, so let's let it dry down for a bit and see what it does. Okay, this is definitely a matte lip product. This is what it looks like dried down. If you're somebody who wants like a subtle color, you wouldn't have to go back in and like reapply. But for me, because of how dark my lips are, I feel like it's peeking through the lip shade, a bit more opaque. Like, I'm not afraid of color, so when you smack your lips together, I feel like it picks up if it's not dry. So if you're gonna apply it, try not to smack your lips together. Just let it dry on its own. I want to use Code Word to line this. It doesn't make any sense, but I feel like the purple liner will do this lip justice. The gloss is perfect as it is. I can put it over this and it will make it look really nice. And by itself, it looks really, really good. Like, I love it. You can definitely line it, and it doesn't have to be with a dark brown lip liner. You can line it with any lip liner that you want. I really like it. It adds a little bit of to the lips. Okay, let's put some of the gloss over it. Okay, this is the matte with the gloss over it. I feel like gloss just takes matte lips to like a whole new level. It's given something nice. This is the Be About It duo. The matte, once again, you need to apply it and leave it alone. And this is what it looks like with the gloss over it. The gloss definitely sets the mattes off, you know? This is the gloss, really nice. And this is the matte with the gloss over it. Really nice. I kind of feel like Too-Faced right now with half of my lips done and the other half just a completely different color. This lip shade, I don't know if it's called Jolapus or Holapus. Anyhow you want to pronounce it, I guess. Let's go in with the matte one. Okay, that's the matte in the Holapus. And we're going to go in with the gloss of Polopus. Okay, I'm just gonna predict that I'm gonna like all the glosses because all the glosses look really, really nice. Very shiny, not stick, but they're not overbearing. The mattes have a slight hint of mint, like a minty plumping gloss. That's what I'm getting from the mattes, and I'm not upset with it because it's not overbearing. It's not like the Fenty Heat where, you know, Fenty Heat gives you a good spicy burn. This is just like a minty kind of burn, and it's matte. The matte and the gloss on my lips just has my lips feeling kind of weird. I really feel like the glosses set the mattes off. It's sick and it's so gorgeous. So the crazy thing I'm noticing is that the gloss that comes in the duo, it doesn't make the matte melt off my lips, so I have to go in with like a separate gloss that can break down the matte, because the gloss that comes in the duo does not break down the matte, so I can take it off easily. This is the third time I'm doing it, and I felt it was like worthy to mention. That matte clings to your lips. Okay, next we're going to be swatching Trade Finder. Okay, this is the matte for Trade Finder. Okay, we're going to go in with the gloss for Trade Finder. Once again, another pretty shade. Let's put some of the gloss over the matte and see what it does. This is what it looks like. Both look really, really good. Okay, so this is what they look like with the gloss on it and also the gloss by itself. This is Nightwalker. I feel like Nightwalker has a very smooth texture to it. This is the gloss. Okay, now we're gonna put some of the gloss over it. Okay, he picked a very gorgeous gloss to pair with this. The gloss that pairs with Nightwalker is like, I want to say duochrome. It shifts between pink and gold, and for that it makes it look really, really nice. It brings out something in Nightwalker. This is what they both look like on. This is matte with gloss over it. This is the gloss by itself. Really, really gorgeous. I will definitely buy Nightwalker. If I didn't already have it and I saw someone swatch it, I would get it. This is Open Wide. The gloss on Open Wide seems to be very, very thick compared to the other glosses that I've swatched so far. I feel like it definitely has more of a pinkish tone and has more of the glitter or glittering pieces in there compared to the other ones that I've swatched. This is Open Wide. I really love the fuchsia color with the gloss over it. It looks like a jewel. Okay, we're gonna swatch No Speed Limit. It looks really nice. If I go over it one more time, it's gonna be definitely a pigmented baby. That much I know. Okay, this is what it looks like. It is really gorgeous. I'm gonna do the second swatch because I want to see how pigmented this can go. I absolutely love the colors. The only thing I don't like is the fact that I can't smack my lips to blend it in very well, because if I smack it, it's gonna separate on me. I don't like that. With gloss, this is a matte and the gloss. This is the gloss by itself. Both are really, really gorgeous. We have One Size Red. This is what that looks like, and let's go ahead and swatch it. This is the lightest of all the formulas. It looks like that universal red shade that a lot of brands try to include. This gloss definitely has a little bit more pigment than all the other ones I've swatched so far. This is the matte with the gloss over it. This is the gloss by itself. They look really nice. Like, I really like combo with Coin Collector, and Coin Collector is the deepest liner from One Size. The lip liner has a minty feel to it. Because I don't want the matte shade to stick to my lips and not blend in nicely, we're gonna go in with a layer of the gloss first. Also, that will just help us see what the gloss looks like over the liner by itself. I like it. It's giving gorgeous vibes. This is Mother Star. I'm gonna put some of the matte over the gloss. Okay, doing it this way, you can see how easily it blended in. I don't even have to go in with a ton of it, just a little bit, and it looks really, really good. So this is it for me swatching and showing you guys what the One Size lip duos and a few of the lip liners look like. Let me know down below in the comments if you picked up any of these. Let me know what shade you picked up. If you haven't yet picked it up, let me know down below in the comments if this video helped you decide on which shades to buy or whether or not you should buy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.